Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. Today's vocabulary retroactive, R-E-T-R-O-A-C-T-I-V-E, moratorium, M-O-R-A-T-O-R-I-U-M, dither, D-I-T-H-E-R, hunch, H-U-N-C-H, retroactive, backdated, especially of legislation taking effect from a date in the past with effect from a date before it was approved. That means say that a government passes an order today June 22nd, but it will be effective from previous date. It will be effective from previous date. That is what we call it as retroactive. They are signing the order, they are passing the order today, but it will be effective from previous period. That is what we call it as retroactive. Ma clear? Synonyms: previous, retrospective, prior, done afterward, posterior, post factum, backward looking, succeeding. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: far-sighted, visionary, forward, foreseeing, prospective, likely, forward looking. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the increase in salaries will apply retroactively from January 1st. Yes, best example. Say that today they have signed. Today they have signed for all government employees, salaries will be hiked, but retroactively from January 1st onwards, all employees will be getting benefited, right? Clear? Moratorium, a temporary ban. Moratorium, a temporary ban, a stopping of an activity for an agreed period of time, a temporary prohibition of an activity. That is what we call it as moratorium. Synonyms: stoppage, halt, abeyance, pause, prohibition, suspension, stay, embargo, freeze, adjournment, delay, postponement. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: renewal, resumption, move forward, continuation. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: they are proposing a 5-year moratorium on nuclear weapon testing. They are proposing a 5-year moratorium on nuclear weapon testing. That means for next 5 years, so this nuclear testing should not be done. For next 5 years, nuclear testing should not be done. Even recently, government has given moratorium in paying credit card bills for 3 months like that. Hope you remember. Ma? Clear? Dither, hesitate, to be unable to make a decision about doing something. To be unable to make a decision about doing something. We do have one more meaning, ma. To be nervous, excited or confused about something. To be excited, nervous or confused about something. That is what we call it as dither. Synonyms: indecisive, delay, fluster, agitation, confusion, babble, shivers, jitters, oscillate, dilly-dally. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: calm, composure, peace, budge, sense, aplomb, advance, tranquility. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Mary is still dithering over whether to accept the job or not. Mary is still dithering over whether to accept the job or not. Ma clear? Even one more example also can be given. I can't bear people who dither. I can't bear people who dither. True na? Hunch, intuition, a feeling or guess based on intuition rather than fact. A feeling or guess based on intuition rather than fact. That is what we call it as a hunch. We do have one more meaning: raise one's shoulder and bend the top of one's body forward. That is also we call it as hunch. Synonyms: guess, premonition, curve, feeling, suspicion, inkling, impression, arch, bend, presage, thought, foreknowledge. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: certainty, fact, reality, truth, trust, anticipation, expectation, forecast, all these words can be related to antonyms. Example, the commentators had various hunches about the outcome of the elections. The commentators had various hunches about the outcome of the elections. Hope you are clear. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.